AdamsPiano.com, New Paltz, New York. 34 years in business. 110 pianos on display. Piano moving, piano storage, piano rentals. Fine piano service and rebuilding. Installation of piano disc player and quiet time systems. We're going to come to a piano with an unusual name. It's Schultz & Sons. That's because it's a stencil brand. It's made by Samick, which was probably the largest piano company in the world at that time. Hard to tell from the serial number, but I'd say 20 years old or less. It's 5'9". It's got some very expensive features. It is single strung. That means there's one hitch pin and loop for every string. It's got a beautiful brown mahogany finish in perfect or near perfect condition. Fancy curved legs and a matching lyre and bench. Looks beautiful if you like this sort of thing. It's 5'9". It's in superb condition. It will be ready in a few days. That's mid-April 2021. Beautiful sound. This is going to be really lovely, a really beautiful instrument after the work is done. Comes with a 10-year warranty. The price is $7,000. It's really unusual and beautiful. AdamsPiano.com, 845-978-2235.